morning, guys. Today we will be making a lemon tart. So we'll be needing 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of soft butter or room temperature butter, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, 1 egg, and a teaspoon of salt. So we'll start with creaming our butter. And to this we'll add our sugar. Add our egg. Whisk it again. Add our salt. Mix it up again. Then we'll add our flour. This one we'll just mix it in. So with this dough you can do it like days in advance. You can just leave it in the fridge with clean hands. We'll just get everything together. So just keep on working until you form a ball. There you go. So we'll just wrap it in cling film. There you go. We'll just let it chill in the fridge for about 20 minutes. We'll just portion this to 65 grams each. So while we're doing this, you can preheat your oven already. So I preheat your oven to about 170 degrees Celsius. Get some dusting flour on your bench. Press it down a bit. So I'm using individual tart tins, and then just gently put it in, and then we'll just shape them. Okay, just press it down, and then the sides just push it in. Make sure you get all the way tucked in there, even the sides. And then with a fork, we'll prick the base, or you call it docking. And then this one can chill inside the fridge for about another 10 minutes. So we'll do another one. Dust off the excess flour. So just push the dough into the sides. So I'm using non-stick tart tins. But if you're not using non-stick, you might want to spray them with oil or butter them. Now we will blind bake our tart shells. So we'll just get baking paper and crunch it up. And then just place them on our shell. And now we'll fill it with rice. Don't forget to push them down. All the way to the edges. And this one will bake for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. We'll get our egg wash ready. So I'll just use egg whites. This will be our egg wash. We'll thin it down with a bit of water. Just a bit of water. Just a small pinch of salt. Get our brush ready. So after 15 minutes, just take it out of the oven. Now we'll just take out our rice. So you keep this pie weights so you can reuse it when you make another batch of your tarts. So we'll just brush it with our egg wash. Get the sides. There you go. And then this goes back in the oven until the egg wash is cooked. Took the shells about 7 minutes to cook. So while this is cooling down, we will make our lemon curd. To make our lemon curd, we'll be using 125 grams of unsalted butter, 250 grams of white sugar, 150 grams of lemon juice. I'm using Mayer lemons. This is like a cross between your normal lemon and a mandarin. So it's get the citrusy tartiness. And then you'll be using also a zest of 1 lemon and 2 eggs. So first we need to get our zest. So make sure you wash your lemons first. And then we'll just get the zest. So if you don't have the Mayer lemons, you can use your whatever lemon you can get hold of. The good thing with the Mayer lemon, you get more juice out of it. And it's really good for desserts. You get the cross between the mandarin and the lemon. There you go. Now we'll just our butter, we have to melt it, put it on our stove for a while, and then we'll just juice our lemons. So our lemon, we need 150 milliliters. So that's the inside of the Mayer lemon. It looks really nice and orangey yellow. We need 150 milliliters. So need 150 milliliters. So from 1 lemon I got 52 mils, so probably you'll be using 3. We'll see how this goes. Make sure you strain it. With our lemon mixture, we'll add 2 eggs. Get our sugar in. We'll just add in our lemon mixture. Make sure the the pan is not too hot and the butter is not too hot either. Okay, now this goes back on top of the stove, so we'll heat it up. Just continue stirring it until you get the first signs of bubbles and until it thickens up. Just make sure you control the heat. You see the bubbles already forming. That's where you turn off the heat. Just take it off the heat. Now we'll just strain it into a bowl. Just let it cool down. So that's our lemon curd. Just let it cool down for a bit. And then, just put it aside first. We'll just transfer our lemon curd. So it's still glossy like that. Just transfer it in a deeper container. Okay. So just blitz it. So you see the color. And you'll see it just changes color to a pale yellow. And we'll strain it again. So you see the pale yellow now instead of the glossy yellowish orange. So just transfer it back into our jug, our measuring jug. So roughly get about 60 mils, 61 mils. So 60 mils into one. Just put it aside. Just fill your tart cases. So in one recipe of the dough and the lemon curd, you get 8 individual tarts. So this one you just let it cool down. Just let it set inside the fridge.
Wow.
Hot dog.
Very good.
Yeah, top.
Really good. Hindi siya icky, di ba?
No.
Not at all.
What I like is the tartness of it. The tastes like not much of a lemon. It's more of a lemon orange.
Yeah. The tart itself is my favorite.
The lemon orange
Yeah.
Flavor.
because of the Mayer lemon.
Mm.
Actually, mandarin, lemon mandarin flavor because of
Really
the,
good.
the type of lemon.
Isn't that the hybrid, like lemon and orange?
Yeah,
Yeah.
lemon mandarin Mayer.
It's like a blend between the two.
Nagsiset talaga.
Of course, the set.
It's set, see.
But it tastes amazing.
When you bite it, it's soft.
Yeah, this one.
When you're chewing it, it's soft.
You could even just let it sit in your
Yeah.
mouth and it'll just eventually disintegrate.
Glad you liked it.
Just balance. Very good. Have.
Okay, so good. Please do like and subscribe. Paalam!
Alam.